Hello and welcome to our mini masterclass series. We are going to be learning how to factorize quadratic equations, specifically a method that I refer to as the X method. We are going to be looking at this quadratic equation that you see on the left here. So how do we go ahead and factorize this? So we have an X drawn on the right hand side, and at the top of the X we want to give me two numbers that gives me their product as X squared, two numbers or terms. So this one is pretty easy. It can only be X and X. So then we do the same thing for the bottom of the X, but in this case we want two numbers that when multiplied together give me positive 9. So it can be two positive numbers or two negative numbers, which should also give you a positive number as their product. So I'm going to try minus 3, and then I'm going to try multiplying them vertically. This would be the next step. So this would give me minus 3x, and then minus 3 by x would give me the same thing, minus 3x. And then you add these terms in the middle. Minus 3x plus minus 3x gives me minus 6x. And you look to see, is that middle, when you add those two terms in the middle, does it give me this middle term, which is minus 6x? Yes, it does. So usually when you're factorizing quadratic equations, you end up with two pairs of brackets, and what you're trying to do is to find the values that goes into each of these pair of brackets. Okay, so to do that we are going to look at each of the crisscross lines of the X that we drew on the right hand side. So if we look at this line here, which goes from the top left to the bottom right, you have X on one end, the top left end, and to the bottom right we have minus 3. So these are connected in one pair of brackets, so we write X minus 3 in the first pair of brackets. So then we look at the next crisscross line that makes up this X. We have X on the top right corner and minus 3 on the bottom right corner, and again they're connected by this line. So they go into another pair of brackets on their own, which is exactly the same, so we can also rewrite this as X minus 3 squared.